All right, so for LIFO, last in, first out method, what we're going to do is we're still taking 9,000 units out of these three buckets, but now we're going to go backwards. We're going to start with bucket 3, then go to bucket 2, then go to bucket 1. So we're going to take out the last ones we bought first, then go backwards from there. Same process as FIFO, but just start with this bucket instead of, in FIFO you started with the first bucket, then went down the line. In LIFO you're going to start with the last bucket, the third bucket, and then go backwards. And I need to take 9,000 units out of the buckets. So we're going to look at that first bucket here, or the last bucket, I'm sorry. There's 8,000 units in there. So let's empty out the last bucket as our first step. So I'll put there bucket 3. I'm going to take 8,000 units. How much did those cost me? Those cost $25 each, and then total that $200,000. Cool. All right, so what do we do so far? We took 8,000 units out. I need to take 9,000 units out of buckets. I emptied this bucket. This bucket's empty now. So I need 1,000 more to get to 9,000 that I've sold. So I'm going to take that 1,000 out of bucket 2, working backwards, right? Take 1,000 out of bucket 2. How much did everything cost me in bucket 2? $22. So the total there is 1,000 times 22, $22,000. So there we go. We did it. We pulled 9,000 out of buckets. I needed to pull 9,000 units out. I took 8,000 out of here. I took 1,000 out of here. What's left, actually? There's 5,000 left in this bucket now, and there's all 2,000 left in the beginning inventory bucket. So at the end of the month, you have 7,000 units left, 5,000 are in here, 2,000 are in here. That's your ending inventory. So let's do some calculations to wrap this all up here. Again, I want you to calculate the units here. We have 9,000 units, and make sure that matches what you sold for the month, the total amount that you sold. And then let's just total up these numbers here. That's 222,000. So that is my LIFO cost of goods sold. And remember, the last step is we need to do the ending inventory. And when I talk about ending inventory equals cost of goods available for sale minus cost of goods sold. So let's do that math here. So the ending inventory for LIFO equals, and just take that cost of goods available right from the step, the first video, the first step. You're going to use this a lot, right? 372,000 is my cost of goods available for sale. That's what I had in my store available to sell during the month. And then cost of goods sold is what I sold during the month, to 222,000. That's going to give us what? An ending inventory of 150,000. Remember, these are in dollars. $150,000 ending inventory for LIFO. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. The next video is going to be the last method, the weighted average method.